Welcome to AK Cars Reviews, your go-to channel for in-depth vehicle insights, latest specs, and expert analysis on heavy machinery. The 2025 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer is the latest powerhouse in Caterpillar's lineup, designed to handle the most demanding construction, mining, and earth-moving operations. With a robust engine, advanced automation, and improved durability, the D12 sets a new standard in heavy-duty machinery. Here's a detailed breakdown of its exterior design, performance, interior, price, safety, and overall value. Exterior design. The 2025 Caterpillar D12 features a bold and rugged design that reflects its immense power. The machine's frame is constructed with high-strength steel, ensuring durability even in the harshest conditions. The newly designed tracks provide enhanced traction and stability, allowing the bulldozer to operate efficiently on rough terrains, including mud, rocks, and steep slopes. Caterpillar has improved the blade design with stronger materials, offering better cutting depth and resistance to wear. The hydraulic cylinders are now more durable, reducing maintenance needs. The body has been aerodynamically enhanced to improve fuel efficiency while maintaining the machine's signature aggressive look. LED lighting has been integrated into the front and rear, improving visibility during night operations. Additional protective guards and reinforcements around critical components increase durability, reducing downtime due to mechanical failures. The large exhaust system is positioned to reduce emissions effectively while maintaining engine performance. The heart of the 2025 Caterpillar D12 is its powerful turbocharged diesel engine, delivering exceptional horsepower and torque. This engine is designed for maximum efficiency, ensuring that the bulldozer can handle large-scale earth-moving tasks with ease. The intelligent transmission system allows for seamless gear shifts, adapting to various terrains and loads automatically. One of the most significant upgrades in the D12 is its advanced hydraulic system, which provides faster and more responsive blade control. This ensures smoother grading and leveling, reducing operator fatigue and improving productivity. The cooling system has been optimized with high-efficiency radiators and smart temperature regulation, preventing overheating even during prolonged heavy-duty operations. The D12 also features Caterpillar's latest automation technology, including terrain mapping, grade control, and auto blade positioning. These systems help operators achieve higher precision with less effort, increasing overall efficiency and reducing fuel consumption. The reinforced undercarriage further enhances durability, minimizing wear and tear on key components. Interior. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Caterpillar D12 is designed for maximum operator comfort and convenience. The spacious interior features an ergonomic seat with multiple adjustment options to reduce fatigue during long shifts. The cabin is equipped with noise insulation technology, providing a quieter work environment even in the noisiest job sites. A high-resolution touchscreen display serves as the command center, offering real-time data on machine performance, fuel efficiency, and maintenance alerts. The user-friendly interface allows operators to control various features with ease. The new joystick controls are more responsive, allowing for precise movement and improved handling. Caterpillar has also included a climate control system, ensuring comfort in extreme weather conditions. Large windows and strategically placed cameras provide enhanced visibility, reducing blind spots and improving safety. Additional storage compartments and USB charging ports add convenience for operators who spend long hours inside the machine. Price. The 2025 Caterpillar D12 is positioned as a premium heavy-duty bulldozer, reflecting its advanced technology and performance capabilities. The exact price may vary based on region, customizations, and additional attachments. However, it is expected to be a significant investment for construction and mining companies looking for long-term reliability and efficiency. Caterpillar offers flexible financing options, leasing plans, and extended warranty packages to make ownership more accessible. The machine's lower maintenance costs and fuel-efficient engine also contribute to long-term savings, making it a valuable investment for businesses requiring top-tier heavy machinery. Safety is a top priority in the design of the 2025 Caterpillar D12. The machine is equipped with multiple cameras and radar-based obstacle detection systems to enhance situational awareness. These features help operators navigate busy work sites safely and prevent potential accidents. An emergency shutdown system allows for immediate machine stoppage in case of critical failures or hazardous situations. The cabin structure is reinforced to provide maximum protection in the event of rollovers or impacts. Anti-slip steps and handrails make it easier and safer for operators to enter and exit the machine. The intelligent braking system ensures better control on slopes and uneven terrain, preventing unintended movements. Additionally, automated assistance features such as grade control and remote diagnostics minimize operator errors, further enhancing safety and efficiency on the job site. Overall, the 2025 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer is a game-changer in the world of heavy machinery. It combines raw power with cutting-edge technology to deliver unmatched performance in construction and mining operations. With a high-output engine, advanced automation, and operator-focused design, it is one of the most efficient and durable bulldozers available. The improved fuel efficiency and lower maintenance costs make the D12 a cost-effective choice for businesses looking to upgrade their fleet. Its reinforced undercarriage and intelligent monitoring systems ensure long-term reliability, reducing downtime and operational costs. The cabin's comfort and safety features ensure that operators can work more efficiently without experiencing fatigue or discomfort. The combination of automation, safety, and durability makes the D12 an industry-leading bulldozer that is ready to tackle any challenge. For businesses that require high-performance earth-moving equipment, the Caterpillar D12 stands out as one of the best options in the market. With its sustainability-focused design, compliance with modern emission standards, and adaptability to alternative fuel options, it is also a future-ready solution for the industry. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews, latest updates, and expert insights on heavy machinery and vehicles.